update Windows 7 to Windows 10. So that let's start few steps. So that you need to open the Google Chrome. Before that, you need to check your system. If it is Windows 7, then go to My Computer and right click, go to Property. See here Windows 7. If you find here Windows 7 and Service Pack 1 and your window activated ID, okay, so that if you find Windows 7 Professional or Windows 7 and Service Pack 1 is installed or not, check it once. If it is installed, no need to worry. Otherwise you need to install your Service Pack for Windows 7. Then you need to check your window product ID is activated or not. Simply go to next step to update your Windows 7 to Windows 10 without losing any data. Just minimize it and go to browser. Just type here Media Creation Tool. Media Creation Tool. Okay, 22H2 is there. Simply if you find link download Windows 10 disk image ISO file Microsoft, click this one. It will redirect to Microsoft.com. So download Windows 10. Here just drag down. You will find here create Windows 10 installation media. Just click it and download the tool now. After downloading, just double click and install this one, and you will get here the window, the icon will be here. Okay, the desktop icon will be. Just copy and paste it from the downloads. You will find here Window Creation Tool 22H2. After that, simply double click this one. It will be installing. Suppose if you get any problem while installing, to fix this error or any problem, go to easyfix.com. Otherwise, I will give this link in description box. I am copying the link, going to browser, double click, pasted here. Here update to enable TLS 1.1 and update to enable TLS 1.1 and TLS 1.2 as 1.1 and 1.2. Default secure protocol in WinHTTP window. Simply come down, you will find this about this update, and come down how to get this update. Also here you will find easy fix is there, but we will find here manually install easy fix popular. Service Pack 1 is also there. You can install this one if you not find in your property. Okay, here you will find easy fix. To add default secure protocol registry sub key automatically, click here. The file will download. Okay, and run it and open it. After running this one, after downloading this one, from here if you click here, it will get download. Okay, after downloading, the app will open like this. Simply double click this one and run it. After that, again go to Media Creation Tool. double click and run it, so that the error message will not show here. After downloading this one and after running this one, Windows 7 will be updated to Windows 10. So it takes minimum 5 to 7 GB data or internet, and more than 2 to 3 hours time it will take. Now I have installed this one. My window is Windows 10 from Windows 7. Windows 10 it is showing here. So when I have updated, I will show the date and all. Okay, leave it. Thanks for watching this video. You will find all the description. You will find these two links in description box. Kindly check it and download it. Thanks for watching this video.